All right, man. All right. Look at this. What the hell is this? We switched spots here. Now we're over at Chena Lakes. Mike's honey hole. Looks like them coming down the road. This is what we got. They took the docks out already. Looks like there's a little cheapo dock over there. I don't know if it'll hold my fat ass though. We'll check this place out. Across by the old cheapo dock. Usually a kayak launch out here. Over there, there's a little boardwalk out to a dock. Worth checking out though. Lots of activity around here. First throw in there, looks like. Oh, we got some kind of little roundy piece of chain or something. Like my Crocs. Pretty busy place in the summer. They're all wrapped up for the season. Thought I had a lot of salad, but there it is, baby. Bottle of yellow salmon eggs. And a Potski lid. Somebody's bobby pin with their hair tie. Got yanked off in the heat of passion, I think. Little oil slick right there.
Oh, you got something on there.
Wow, a whole lot of
line.
Oh yeah, there's a fishing line.
Bottle cap. A big nail on the back.
Yeah, that's some old fishing line. Oh, a hook on there. Look at that. Oh, there's something metal right there.
Good.
Sharp. Sharpie.
Not that close to the oil.
Oh no, that oil slick was weird. Ooh. Something inside of there, another bottle cap.
And Mike's.
Mike's heart. Yeah, good call.
Yeah, Mike.
Fucking eyes of an eagle right there. Can't tell on that one. Probably a Bud Light silver. Oh, there is a big giant nail on the other side. Another bottle cap.
Platinum, Bud Light Platinum.
Looks like a Samuel Adams.
Sam Adams. That's my brother's first words.
Sam
Adams.
Wow. Some kind of little fishy hook, you know. Random metal.
Screams oil slick though.
No.
And look, you can see some oil on your magnet there.
Okay, I'm gonna go right back in that same spot.
Yeah.
Boat motor or
Play
something.
with it.
Looks like we got a couple there. Another Bud Light Lime. Nasty. First one of the day? Oh. Wow. I just got a Bud Light. It's the first time I ever seen a Bud Light Lime. And I've caught two today. Get out there.
Help you.
Help me. I just got something here. Look at that. Another bait lid. And what in the world? Oh, there's a screw and a piece of wood.
I've never even heard of these
Salmon eggs?
salmon eggs.
Oh, yeah. And a bottle cap. Look at that. An Alaska something. Some drunk threw it in there, though. I caught that whole plywood on that screw that's in the corner. Shook out the salad. Bunch more fishing line to that pile. Screwed twice. A thumbtack. I don't know why a thumbtack would be there. There's a bottle cap. Coors Light. MGD light. And screwed 3 times. And some kind of fishing fly. Yeah, another salmon egg lid. Tons of fishing line. Oh, there's something really on there though. Something a little more to it. A bottle cap. I just got a Michelob Ultra or something. Big ass washer. A Daredevil fishing lure with no hook. Another fishing eggs lid. But I'm going back to that same spot because I just had something huge. Lots of fishing line. Right to the trash can where it belongs. 50 series here. Look at that. Set of keys, baby! Woo! With a clip on it. That's my first full set of keys. Yeah! I got 2 washers and a bungee cord. The full bottle, but I got the lid to the salmon eggs. I know, $8. Angry Orchard. Little belt clip, Miller Lite, and a broken off jig. It can go in there. We got a fresh Sierra Nevada bottle cap. Super fresh. A bungee cord hook. A big old pile of poopy. I see a lot of salad on there. How's it going?
Not bad. How are you doing?
Doing all right.
Good. What are you trying to catch?
Anything that sticks to that magnet.
Oh, your magnet fishing or whatever they call it?
Oh yeah.
Right on.
Salad. I've got off the lake over there. Had a Maxwell House coffee can with a Canadian nickel stuck to it. So
nice.
maybe disintegrated, you know.
Yeah.
Maybe, but who knows? You just never know.
What's the coolest thing you found doing that?
Oh, the coolest thing was probably the sign. I'm not trying to get you wet here, but it might be just a little splash. Old sign that belonged to one of the pioneers in Fairbanks. Let's see what I got. Sludge. Uh-oh. Wow. Bottle cap. something apple cider. Another bottle cap. And I don't know what that is. It's something kind of different. Other side, 0. Yeah. There must be a sunken ice house right here, because I keep grabbing that. Caught the last sheet of plywood by the screw. Is it safe?
It's just my size.
It's sitting right on the bottom, probably. Perfect. Is it?
Like me, she's got 2 big bumpers in the front.
I know there's something on there, because I can feel it. Magnetic rocks, screwed twice. Screwed twice, and a bottle cap, and a fish hook. Non-sharpies can go in the bucket. Hooker's got to go on the side. 3 screwed. Screwed 3 times. That's something. Looks like she's on the board with some kind of little bracket filler. First toss even, wasn't it? That's what's up. Oh, I see fishing line. Lots of fishing line. Look at that. That's all got to come out of the water. Every bit of it. Right in the trash can. Hell, that AA thing, I don't know. There's another. Oh, dude. Looks like a Canadian loony or a toonie. Something. Come on, baby. That's AA. I just kind of threw that AA thing to the side because I just got something cool. Come on, be a coin. It's a coin. Yes! It's coin day. I don't think it's a loony. It's something, though. Could. Yeah, buddy. Here we go. That's what's up. That's 2 coins in one day. I'm rubbing it for luck here. I'm rubbing it. Let's see. Here we go. I'm going to let everybody see it first before I say what it is. Yeah, oh, they saw me rubbing it. Oh, yes, that is. I'm not even reading it. They get to see what it is first. It's how loyal I am to my followers. The other side's still crusty. There's a little eclectic collection. 3 vape can lids. 3 in 1 pull and a fishing reel. Woo, woo, woo. That pile of stuff's out there just a little farther. Man, I got screwed 4 times there too. Oh, no fucking way! Another one of those coins.
Wow, another peso?
Yeah.
I'm so jealous.
Wow, dude.
It is a peso too, isn't it?
Yep. Yes.
Yep.
Yes. $2.
Are the pesos doing? I didn't bring them.
I got the other one in my pocket. I know it's not the same one.
No. Because this is 1, and you said the other one was 2. Right?
Yep, that's a 2.
And this is a 1. You got $3.
$3, man. 3 peso. Estada! That's what I'm talking about. Murder metal. Nope, I correct. It's a Smith & Wesson, but it's still badass. That thing's brand new. Woo! But I got screwed on the other side. Shaking off the salad. Got bolted for one. Got baited on the other one. That's a giant lag screw. We're really getting screwed over here. And there's a washer. Look at that. Washer. It's 3 things. Wow. What'd you get? I can see something. Oh, hell yeah. Yes. Gerber brand? Oh, it's still 80 bucks. A washer. That swivel needs to get back here. Yeah, yep. Except I don't drink, so. That's cool. I got a piece of plywood and a fishing swivel, battery. There's something really attractive about this hobby. Luck charm, just so you know. Just so you know. A folding lock blade knife.
Ooh, like explain your oil.
No, but I threw in the same place.
How good is it? You're a little rusty.
Yeah, it looks pretty darn fresh. Get rid of that. Maybe it's a fancy one that you gotta push the button. He's scoring over there. I feel delarping. I can't get that thing open.
Oh, there's a little switch back there. You see that? You probably have to push that switch down.
Oh, look at that. There is. She just got a chisel. Yeah! Bump it, bump it, bump it. Bam! Woo!
And I got the Ronnie.
Yes! All right, man. All right. Look at this. What the hell is this? Looks like brass knuckles. What is that?
Ah! Torture device.
Something. Look at that.
Look at it.
I've never seen
It's
it.
got a
Oh, look at
little
that. There's
pocket thing on the
somebody's
back.
little tuna can lid and a bait lid.
Some sort of
I
tool.
told you there's something over there. And I got screwed a bunch of times.
It's, yeah, it's one of them thingamaboppers.
Wow.
But it's got blades and
How
stuff.
cool is that?
That's pretty cool. Hi, Jody. What is it?
Yeah, right?
Jody.
Oh, it's got knives on it. Woo!
Little happy dance.
Woo! That's 3 knives I got today.
I don't know. Some kind of
Wow. Fisherman tool or
it might be.
scaler on there maybe? That is sweet.
Looks like that would grip something.
Whoa.
For taking a hook out?
And the rest of this crap.
Grip onto the mouth?
Kratos.
That would cut line with the tip.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
And I got nailed on the end.
I have no
All right,
idea.
Jody, what is it?
Yeah, Jody.
Jody's our expert.
Let me get a little close up of that dude. Come on, Jody. We're relying on you. Leave a comment down below if you know what that is,
Jody's gonna have
Jody.
to comment on everybody. Got a little glass in here.
I thought I heard something. Mike's expertise got it open. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's barely even been used.
Bench made.
Yeah, that's probably $100 knife right there.
I like that.
Once you get it cleaned up,
Yeah.
because you can, like, that's to flip it open. So you can, that button, you push it to close it. And,
Look at that.
and then it'll, you push it, it's supposed to open up.
Yeah, I'll be gentle with it. Oh no, it's a cigarette lighter. Somebody was smoking a cigarette and dropped their lighter. Uh-huh. It's red one, and what do we got on the other side? Big J hook. That's the heaviest thing today. Come on, stay on there. I hate letting that slack up too, because it'll come off sometimes.
But sometimes you get it flat,
Yeah.
it gives that magnet a second to re-grip.
Yeah, I've been learning as I go.
Uh-oh. I'm just gonna come down here.
No.
Did that just come off?
Yeah, it just came up.
What is it?
I don't know. But it's still on there, whatever it is. Jesus, I'm not even pulling and it's leaving those bubbles. Bicycle, who knows? Because I saw, oh, it did too.
Did it drag off?
It didn't come all the way off, but it moved. I don't want to get it near that concrete because that'll wedge it.
I saw a little oil.
Yeah, there is an oil slick. Ice auger maybe with the engine still on it. That would be nice. Those are $300. We're on something big, Mike. We got her. I'll walk in there if I have to. Oh, right there. Oh yeah, it came off.
10 feet out.
Yeah, it's right there. You got the best view. Feels like metal dragon too. Come on, get off the
Okay,
bottom.
it's not big, but there's the oil.
Oh, it's heavy. Whatever it is, it's heavy.
Oh, you got one too!
Is that what it is?
Big ass rod.
Oh, that's rebar. That's a 5-foot piece of number 7 bar rebar. It's like
Here,
7
I'm
gauge.
5 foot. I'm 5'1". So yeah, just about.
And a Canadian, Molson Canadian.
There you go.
Wow. This stuff don't need to be in the water. That,
Boy fishing
it did
this
look
year.
like a chisel. It did look like a chisel. That's awesome. That is awesome. I told you there was something out there though. There's a plastic bobber that stuck with just the little, yeah, and looks like we got screwed right there and screwed again right there, little bastard, and a nail. I just noticed something. Number 4, baby. Murder metal. Big old fillet knife with a spoon on the other side. Somebody was spooning it and dropped it. They couldn't handle it. Yeah, that thing's pretty fresh. It's got a serrated edge on one side, a spoon on the end, and a fillet knife. Yeah. And a wad of fishing line. That feels like there's a hook on the end. There is. Better get that. Stick. That's badass, man. Murder metal. It's like Friday the 13th status. Butcher knife. Jeff from Outdoor Influencer would be jealous with all those knives I got. I like watching him too. He's crazy. He ain't scared.